Buenos dias, good morning again from Cusco, Peru. It's 4 a.m. and we have another huge day trip from this amazing city here. We're going out to Ausangate National Park to do some hiking. This should be another epic road trip. We have about a 2.5 to 3 hour drive to the trailhead, so this is going to be quite the day. Let's get on with the drive and we'll pick it up at the trailhead. Okay, welcome to Pacchanta, Peru, a small village in Ausangate National Park. I'm here on a day trip from Cusco to do the 7 Lagunas hike that lie right beneath the mountain behind me. I don't know if you can see the peak here. So I'm here on a group tour with about 15 other people, so a little bit more than I like, but it was very, very cheap doing this through Machu Picchu Reservations, the tour company. The tour was only $30 US, so really cheap for like a 15-hour tour. So I figured I'd make a video showcasing it and to showcase how you can get away from some of the bigger crowds and into some more remote areas like this one with a lot less tourists. We're just gonna enjoy it as much as I can and try and get some solidarity out here in the mountains of Peru. But let's head inside. We're gonna eat some breakfast and then get it going.
No, pero fíjate, creo que lleva muchos. Pues sí, pero yo llevo unas así. Y yo llevo varias así. Pero yo en la laguna un montón. Y yo también. Yo llevo un montón.
Okay, we've made it to the end point of the 7 Lagunas hike here at Ausangate National Park. As you can see behind me, one of the lagunas. The 6 others are scattered around here. I'm kind of standing in the center of all of them, and then you can hike from lake to lake. So pretty cool up here, and the hike up was amazing as well. Just about 4 miles to get up to this point. A little bit of a gradual incline, but nothing too bad. You are very exposed, but I think it's a good thing because it allows you to see all of the mountains in front of you. So remember to bring your sunscreen. That's a must on this hike. And I think doing it with a group was fine for the most part. We were allowed to go off on our own, so it allowed me to hike by myself, which was very nice, very relaxing and peaceful, and just kind of go at my own pace. So if you're planning to do it with them, you can go at your own pace, hike behind or in front of the guide, and then you'll all meet up here. So I'm just waiting for a few others to finish, then we'll meet and head on back down. There were quite a few people on the trail, but nothing too crazy. A lot of horses, so keep that in mind. You can take a horse up to this point if you're not feeling it and the altitude might be getting to you. I am standing at about 15,000 feet, so it is no joke, again, if you're not used to this type of altitude. So now I have some time to enjoy all of this up here, have a snack before the guide gets up here, and it's time to head back to the van and go back to Cusco.
Falta una. Es que con mi padre la voy a compartir.
Hubiéramos comprado pan francesa. No.
No, gracias. Gracias.
Okay, that's going to wrap up the Ausangate 7 Lagunas hike. What an amazing day and what an amazing hike. It was about 8.5 miles, so maybe a little bit longer than I anticipated, but so worth it in the end. Just the whole way was absolutely amazing views, as you can probably see from the drone and the camera. Just incredible. Really everywhere here in Peru seems to be the same story, so definitely enjoyed myself, and it was great to just be able to hike by myself for most of the way. Just to experience some solitude in another country was definitely cool to experience. I would recommend being in somewhat of shape before doing this and being well acclimated to the altitude. You do start at 14,000 feet and go up over 15,000 feet, so it can be tough if you don't have the right equipment or you're not in pretty good shape. So just keep that in mind. But overall, I think if you just take your time, you should be okay while doing this hike. I saw older people and younger people, so definitely a wide mix. Again, I booked this hike through Machu Picchu Reservations, so be sure to look them up online. They have a lot of different activities and day trips that you can do throughout Peru. It was a very easy process booking. You can do it all via your phone or computer. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the beauty in this hike and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks as always for tuning in and supporting. So we'll see you from the next video very soon.